Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Annie. So today we are going to do a gender reading for Sagittarius. This is a no contact reading, so please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. The roles can be reversed, it can be your partner's energy. So see how it resonates with you, okay? So let's see what do the cards have for us. Sagittarius, what do the cards have for you? And what is the overall energy in this situation, in this no contact situation? What is the overall energy in this no contact situation? What is the overall energy in this no contact situation? Okay. Let's see, what does the person think about you? What are their thoughts for you? What does the person think about you? I think this wants to come. What does the person feel for you, Sagittarius? What does the person feel for you? What does the person feel for you? You're not in contact with. What does the person feel for you? What does the person feel for you? Oh, okay. Let's see, why have they gone silent? Why there is silence in this situation? Why there is silence in this situation? Alright. What is blocking this connection? The cards are falling off. What is blocking this connection? What is blocking this connection? Do you want to come out? What is blocking this connection? What is blocking this connection? Okay. What is the next move, if any, in next 1 to 2 weeks you might make, or your person might make towards you, Sagittarius? What is the next move? What is the next move the person might make towards you? What is the next move towards you in next 1 to 2 weeks? Oops. Okay. What is the advice for you here, Sagittarius? What is the advice for you? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? Whoa. Just last shuffle. What is the advice for you here? Okay. I'll take this one as well. Just wanted to come right. Bottom of the deck we have the Hermit. So that I think the currently is like you are kind of being in solitude and you are looking for what do you really want in your life. You are kind of interrogating yourself on what do you really look for in this connection or from this connection. Okay, so the overall energy here is you are trying to be, optimistic. You might also be thinking of, somewhere I think one or the other person in this connection, in this reading, is either stalking the other person on social media or trying to check out what the other person is doing, where they are, what is happening to them, what is happening with them, and all that. For some of you, I also feel you are open to new ideas. You are open to new ideas, to look for the new opportunity or new connections also. For some of you, okay? So, yeah. It can be you or your person, anybody's energy. For both of you also it can happen that you are open up to new connections, right? Okay, let's see what other cards have for you. So the person feels that they feel very good, it's like they feel very positive around you, or you make them very positive, like, pure connection where they can be themselves, where they can be like how a child is to mom, right? No fear of judgments. It's like, very open, very uh, positive vibe you give to the person, or the person gets from you. Okay, so you make them feel very good, you make them feel very positive, very, balanced, very calm, very composed, a happy kind of person they feel, or they your presence make them feel, that way. So that's a very good thing. Like they kind of think how this person, how Sagittarius makes me feel so positive, so good about everything when they are around you. Okay. Yeah. So what does the person feel? But I think somewhere between you both, there is some or the other thing keeps happening, either because of you both or the people you are surrounded by. Okay, because of them, there is some or the other thing which keeps on happening and which kind of creates disturbance in your connection. It can be a minor conflict, it can be small argument, but that kind of keeps on happening, because of the situation or the circumstances. So that is what somewhere kind of creates this disturbance or this emotional clash or ego clash sometimes happens, and that is what that creates disturbance in you or your person's mind. Okay, and that is why this is kind of creates this is why this situation creates blockages. Why have they gone silent is, I think they are trying to figure out what do they want in their life going forward. They are thinking of a long term connection here, a long term situation here, but at the same time they are looking for peace, they are looking for growth. But given this things keeps on happening, see, it is 5 of wands, 6 of wands, right? So they want to overcome this and make a move, but they want to look for growth. They are looking for growth, and the long term growth, not the temporary one, a long term connection. But for that they need to come out of this thing, right? So they definitely want to make a move, they definitely want to reach out, but given all this they are somewhere stuck. Okay, so yeah, but they are definitely looking for a long term, they do see a long term future or a connection with you, Sagittarius, or you see it for them. As I said, roles can be reversed, right? So see how it's resonating. Okay, what is blocking this connection? Yeah, I think somewhere, everything is good, everything is positive, everything is, like stable, everything is, like, as I said, this is like you make them feel good, you make them feel grounded, you make them feel positive. But at the same time, somewhere because of this thing, there is a lack of happiness, a lack of peace, and that is what they are kind of trying to figure out. Whether, see, in the long term everybody looks for peace, right? Everybody looks for mental and emotional availability, mental peace, emotional availability, and all that. So to figure that out, they are kind of taking their own time whether this connection will have all that or not, and that is why they are somewhere delaying this communication. Okay, let's see what is happening. What is the communication if next move? Okay, so I think if they are reaching out, they might definitely talk about the issue you might be having. Okay, if I think the communication is definitely coming in, but it may be something which might you are not expecting, and it might kind of hurt you somewhere. It may also be like they may say something which might hurt you, or you were not expecting that it will give you so much of unexpected heaviness in your emotion. Okay, you might feel heartbroken, but it's something, this is not very positive, I'm feeling, something maybe communicated, maybe the way of communication is something which you are not expecting. It may be disrespectful, or which is causing emotional pain, emotional kind of heavy energy. Okay, so which might cause pain. Yeah, if you are reaching out to them, make sure that you do not do this. Okay, you need to be very, very calm, very composed, very in a very mindful way. You need to have this communication. Okay, don't hurt, because see, only the one who is hurt will hurt others, right? So don't do that. Okay, be very mindful of. I know sometimes situation will be difficult, but and we lose our temper, but don't do that. Be very patient, be very calm, and try to figure out a different way to deal with this situation. Okay, a different positive way to deal with the situation. Okay, let's see what is the advice for you here. So I've taken out 2 cards, as I think these both wanted to come out here for you. So one is, don't focus on what is gone, or what you do not have, or what you cannot have. Focus on the opportunities being given to you or provided to you by the universe. Don't be closed off, be open. Okay, be open to the new opportunities, new connections. Okay, it can be anything. It can be, if there is something on work coming towards your way, and if it will help you to grow in life, try to look into that aspect also. Okay, try to focus on. Another reading is also telling the same thing, right? You need to move towards a calmer water. See, come out of this clash issue, come out of this, argument thing, and see what is giving you mental peace. Okay, and then take a call. Okay, take the decision accordingly. Advice for you here is basically to see what is for your long term, and then take a call. Okay, let's see what are the messages we have for you. We'll take 3 messages. Okay, let's see. Joy again. So yeah, so think carefully what you want in your life, and then do as I said. It need not be only in relation, it can be your work which makes you happy, right? So just focus on that, and whatever you need, it will definitely, if you work towards it, will definitely give you happiness, right? Prayer, as I said, right, there may be something which you may hear, or something might happen which will cause you heaviness in your emotions. So prayers will definitely help you to deal with the situation, right? So just pray in whatever divine energy you believe in. Just pray to them to give you that, positivity, that courage to deal with the situation, and to show you the path. Okay, wealth, you need to focus on your wealth. I will say health is wealth, so right, you need to focus on your health also. Okay, focus on your wealth, focus on how you can look for a long-term stability, how you can make things better for you, and accordingly take a call. Okay, this is a general reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.